the life update make me to quit YouTube?
Hi, my name is Moni. As you can see from the title down below, there's going to be a major life update on this channel. If you're an old member, you'll notice that I've been inconsistent for the past few months. Today is January 24th. Although I won't be posting this video anytime soon, but I know I will post it one day. I've been inconsistent for the past few months, and the reason why I've been inconsistent is exactly what I'll be telling you in this video. So watch this video till the end. So like I said earlier, there's going to be a major life update on this channel. So will the life update make me to quit YouTube? Unfortunately, no, I won't be quitting YouTube anytime soon. And the reason is because of you that is watching me right now. I want to say a very big thank you. Even though my subscriber count has been crawling like a snail, but I want to say thank you for always watching my videos, for taking out time to subscribe to my channel. Even those that did not subscribe to my channel but watch my videos, I want to say a very big thank you. I so much appreciate you guys. You are the reason why I come back here to make videos. So to the real reason why I'm making this video, I said it earlier that there's going to be a live update on this channel, and the reason is because I'm relocating out of my home country, Nigeria. I'm super excited that the journey that started about 3 years ago finally materialized, and I'm super excited. And I would like to include lifestyle vlogging to the already known skincare videos I make on this channel. So I had always wanted to make lifestyle videos, but I found my lifestyle boring, not to talk of bringing it to you guys for you to watch. And now that I'll be relocating to another country, I believe it's going to be fun. I believe it's going to be interesting. And I also want to let you guys into a little bit of my private life. And I also don't want to disappear on you guys, because pending the time I'll be settling into my new country, I won't have time for skincare videos, because the country I'm moving to is one of the coldest countries in the world. You can take a guess in the comment section. And another reason why I'm excited in relocating to this new country is because my sister also relocated a few months back. Because I and my sister, we've been apart for so many years, more than 10 years now. And the last time I saw her was about 7 years ago, when I visited her in her resident country. Now she has also moved to the country we'll be going to. And I'm also excited that my children will also get to meet their cousins and their aunts. I'm super excited. And the next few series you'll be seeing is my relocation series. I won't make it too long, maybe 2 or 3 is okay. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click the notification bell so that when I post a video, you'll be notified. See you guys in my next video. Bye.